Saki mbwembwe na kwele mchele kwa kuku kumwaga. Sako na wapenda haya tusema nitasikia.
Hello, my name is Lwidiko Edward and I am the founder and director of ProjeKt Inspire. And career-wise, I'm a medical doctor by training, and I also have a PhD in medical sciences. My PhD work was on malaria. So when I was told to share my story with you with regards to my journey around my career, but also with the initiative that I've been working on, the ProjeKt Inspire initiative, I thought it would really be useful to share my story for you to learn a thing or two. So the inspiration behind what we do in ProjeKt Inspire was essentially from my own background. I am Tanzanian, educated from my nursery school actually to my first degree in medicine at Muhimbili University, and then I went to do my PhD in Sweden. So since in 2014 we started this movement of career guidance and inspiration talks to schools of secondary school students, trying to share with them our experience. And essentially we know that most of the young people who make career choices don't make informed career choices. They go with, my dad wants me to be a doctor, or my mom wants to be an engineer, or they don't know what exactly to expect in these different careers path that they are going to take. So that's when we started ProjeKt Inspire. We had a group of about 11, 12 young people who are in secondary schools, who are in, not secondary, they were in universities, and some are fresh graduates from universities in Tanzania and beyond. And slowly the movement turned out to develop different projects. So we started with the Inspire STEM project, where the focus was essentially to encourage young people into the areas of science, technology, engineering, and math. And that we managed to do things like STEM bootcamps. And these bootcamps took students who I think some of you would be potential beneficiaries to come and attend these bootcamps. We bring young students into one place, give them different challenges, and they try to solve them using science, technology, engineering, and math. And with time, we thought maybe that was not early enough, so we started doing projects with even younger children, the age of 3 years to 14 years in the Rising STEAM Stars program. And this has been positively received in the community. It has its challenges, and there's a lot of failures, there's a lot of learning curves, there's a lot of things that maybe you feel like you don't believe in yourself sometimes, or some people don't believe in your vision. But the most important thing is consistency. You have to commit and be consistent in what you do. So we committed to start what we do with ProjeKt Inspire, and we've done it consistently for the past 6 years now. Interesting, 6 years now. And the results have been really, really good. And right now we're working on building the first science center in East Africa. It will be in Tanga. And this talk should be an invitation for all of you to, have a commitment to what you want to do and continue doing it consistently. And it's possible. So welcome to ProjeKt Inspire.
Nipaga moyo nikianza kulia